is the very new series. And I know that none of you requested about the series, but if you want to check out one of my other series, it will be down in the description below. And let's get started with my new series. And this series is going to be like me showing you new toys. So my friend Tommy, if you guys don't know about Tommy, I'll link that into the description below of one of his videos. He's also on YouTube. So his sister got me a helicopter. And the remote control looks like this. See the blue one? Where? Okay. Open it up. There. Helicopter. Right here. Oh, and do you see this tip? There's an extra one. Oh, and also in a few days I will be flying this controller. It might, I don't know if this might be like a grayish controller to you guys, but it's blue. It's blue. Okay, let me see if I can change the settings. Wait, I can't do that unless I'll pause the video. So, my controller. This is lock or unlock. Just unlock. You have the battery source. You guys get this? It'll be a double A, which, yeah, I have. I'm sorry guys, I haven't done a video in like a week because I've been so interested in YouTube, and I was planning on going to a trip on Vietnam. I'll probably do a video if we go to Vietnam. I'll probably do a YouTube video there. Here are the instructions. I'm sorry guys that I won't be finding it today. I'm sorry. Instructions right here. As you can see, the little paper and the little wire to charge the helicopter. You don't need to charge the controller because that was only for batteries. Now I'm going to show you this. Wait, does it still work? Hold on. Yes, it does this. So when you turn it on, it will look like this. Sorry if this makes you blind. And the red and right there. You might think it works. Wait, does it work now? Wait, it doesn't work. Wait, but maybe this works. Up. Okay, well, doesn't work. Guys, now I will be showing you guys the I will be guys showing you the the remote controller now. So, here is the speed right here. More speed, lower speed. I don't know what this is. Trim? Maybe it's like the fractioning. A, B, and C, and D. Wait, not D. A, B, C. On and off. This one. Oh, no. This one only goes up and down low. If you have a lot of strength, then you can probably move it there, but you can't in the thing. This one is for when you go up and move forward. Backwards, sideways, diagonally, anywhere you want. Well, anywhere you want. Let's see. Well, guys, that's all about it. Sorry, guys, that I have not done a video in a week. And I will see you all next time in the series. Bye, guys.